Leon Eugene Auguste Abry was born 1857, died 1905, was a Belgian painter who specialized in military scenes. He began preparing for a military career, but showed little enthusiasm, being attracted to drawing instead. From 1875 to 1878 he attended the Royal Academy of Fine Arts, where he studied with Nicaise and Polydore Beaufaux. He began by painting historical and genre scenes, but soon turned to humorous depictions of military life, taken from his own experiences. In 1881, he attempted to produce more serious works, but received a very negative response when he exhibited at the Brussels Salon in 1884. As a result, he decided to stay with military themes, slowly introducing non-humorous subjects. To achieve authenticity, he followed troops on their maneuvers and visited the barracks to make sketches. He also painted several canvases showing the Belgian royal family as they observed military exercises.